5 things a guy says when he's using you. Hey, have you ever wondered if the guy in your life is just using you for his own amusement? It's super important to know the sneaky words and actions that might tell you something's up. In this video, we reveal 5 things a guy might say when he's using you, so you can spot the clues and protect yourself from getting hurt emotionally or otherwise. Being in a relationship can be like being on a roller coaster. It has its ups and downs, and gosh, figuring out what people really want can be a tricky puzzle. But when it comes to guys who might be using you, certain things they say and do can reveal their true colors. Let's look at the warning signs together so you can make intelligent decisions about who you let into your heart. Let's get started. Number 1. He promises to leave his partner for you. Be wary and skeptical if a man says he'll leave his partner for you. It may feel good, but watch out for hidden bad intentions. Ask yourself if he really means it. If he's unhappy in his current relationship, he should end it because of its problems, not just to be with you. Choosing just someone else can lead to an unhealthy relationship later on. Think about what will happen if he leaves his partner. You could both feel guilty, resentful, or suspicious. Your relationship would be based on someone else's pain, which isn't good for a loving partnership. In many situations, a man may have no intention of keeping his promise and may be using it to control your feelings. He may know the emotional effect on you and want to keep your devotion even if he doesn't want to leave his current partner. Number 2. He says, I need your help, financial or otherwise. Manipulative men can recognize your kindness and use it to their advantage. They use emotional tricks to get what they want, such as money or support, by making you think they're in a bad situation. Although empathy is important for a healthy relationship, be wary of someone taking advantage of you. If a man keeps asking you for money, support or favors but never gives anything in return, it's a sign that he may be using you. In a real relationship, both people help each other and make each other happy. It's important to have a balance of give and take to build trust. If you feel that your generosity is being ignored or abused, take a step back and think about the relationship. Ask yourself if your needs are being met and if there's mutual respect. Manipulative people may tell sad stories to keep you invested in the relationship, but a healthy relationship shouldn't be one-sided. It is important to set boundaries and share your expectations. If you don't think your efforts are being appreciated, talk to your partner about it. See how they react and whether they're willing to address your concerns and make changes. Number 3. He says I'm not ready for a commitment right now. If a man often says he's not ready for a commitment, or describes himself as motionless, these statements may allow him to keep some distance but still enjoy your company. Let's take a closer look at this behavior and its possible implications. Using you for friendship. Some men may like the support and friendship you provide without wanting to take the relationship further. They may enjoy your company but remain distant when it comes to emotions or commitment. This can be confusing, as you may feel a connection, but the man refuses to move the relationship forward. Using you for emotional support. Men who say they are emotionally unavailable may want your comfort and encouragement but don't give it back. They may share personal feelings and secrets to make it seem like there's a strong bond. However, when you need support or help, they may avoid it or leave, leaving you feeling unhappy. Using you for physical closeness. Some men may use the not ready for commitment excuse to be physically close without having to deal with the emotional fallout. They may like the physical part of being together, but avoid talking about future plans or a committed relationship. It's important to spot if someone always avoids talking about the future of your relationship or commitment. It's a warning sign to look out for. Number 4. He tells you, you're so much better than my ex, or I've never felt like this before. Manipulative men may use flattery as a powerful way to control your feelings and actions. They may give you lots of compliments and praise to make you feel special. This will make you feel emotionally attached to them, but it's important to understand that such praise may not be honest and may hide their real plans for the relationship. Feeling appreciated is important in a healthy relationship, but you should also stay clear-headed and not let too much praise affect your judgment. Manipulative people may use flattery to hide problems or bad parts of the relationship. By making you feel important, they can make you dependent on their approval, making it difficult for you to question their reasons. If you get a lot of big compliments, it's important to think about the relationship as a whole. Ask yourself if their kind words are matched by kind actions or genuine caring. Watch out for signs of manipulation, such as not returning compliments equally, using your emotions against you, or not listening to your needs and concerns. Remember that real compliments should be fair and based on specific qualities or things you do, not just general praise. Healthy relationships require honesty, trust, and equal respect. If the nice words seem too much and don't match the reality, they may be trying to control your feelings instead of genuinely admiring you. Number 5. I need you to do this for me. I can't do it myself. A simple request for help may seem harmless, but it can be a powerful weapon for manipulative people who want to control their partners. They may repeatedly ask for help with simple tasks, creating an unhealthy balance of power in the relationship. This can lead to the manipulator taking advantage of their partner's kindness and generosity. Helping your partner feels good at first and strengthens your bond, but constant requests for help with simple tasks could signal a deeper problem. Manipulators use this strategy to create a sense of obligation and independence, making it difficult for their partner to say no. The manipulator creates a false image of being helpless to control not only the task, but also the partner's feelings and decisions. This can make the manipulated partner feel guilty or heartless if they don't help, so they always comply. The manipulator may also misuse their partner's empathy and care as a way of controlling other parts of the relationship. By making their partner feel needed, the manipulator becomes more emotionally invested in the relationship. To avoid this type of emotional manipulation, it's important to recognize the pattern of repeated requests and assess whether they are really necessary. While helping each other is normal in relationships, it becomes worrying when one partner seems unable to do anything without help. To protect yourself from a selfish partner, it's important to set strong boundaries and speak up about your needs. Trust your gut and look at their actions rather than just their words. Maintain your independence by having your own hobbies and friends outside the relationship. Seek advice from trusted friends and share your relationship experiences to get different points of view. Learn about manipulation tactics to better recognize and respond to them when they occur. Take time to self-check whether you're happy in the relationship. Learning to recognize the signs of manipulation in relationships is crucial to protecting your feelings and maintaining healthy boundaries. Manipulators can use insidious and damaging behaviors that slowly chip away at your confidence, freedom, and happiness. By recognizing these warning signs, you can regain control and make informed choices about your relationships. So if you enjoyed this video, remember to like it, subscribe to more videos like this and share your thoughts in the comments.